Birria, a dish older than any modern border, from the highlands of Jalisco, where the people have been slow roasting meat in deep red chile broth since long before Mexico existed by name. There is no secret, no shortcut, just toasted chilies, a long marinade, and 4 hours of patience. The meat comes apart with a fork. The broth, the consommé, is the color of red earth. Tonight, we make it the way it has always been made. Servings 8. 40 minutes of preparation. 4 hours of slow braising. Total time, 4 hours and 40 minutes. 4 pounds of beef chuck roast. 6 whole guajillo chilies. 3 whole ancho chilies. 2 whole pasilla chilies. Half a cup of apple cider vinegar. 6 cloves of garlic. 1 whole white onion. 3 whole limes. 6 cups of beef stock. A piece of fresh ginger. 1 whole cinnamon stick. 1 teaspoon of dried oregano. 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns. And 2 teaspoons of salt. Take each dried chili in your hand. Remove the stem. Tear it open along the seam. Shake out the seeds. Guajillo first, then ancho, then pasilla. The chilies will be papery and dry. They smell like dust and old fire. They are about to wake up. Heat a dry skillet over a medium flame. Lay the chilies flat against the hot metal. Press them down for a few seconds. Flip. Press again. They will puff slightly. They will release their oil. The kitchen will fill with a smell that is sharp and sweet and ancient. Place the toasted chilies in a bowl. Cover them with hot water. Let them soak for 15 minutes. Watch them go limp. Watch them release their color into the water, slowly, until the water is the color of garnet. Drain the softened chilies. Add them to a blender. Add the apple cider vinegar. Add the garlic, the fresh ginger, the dried oregano, the black peppercorns. Blend until everything becomes a thick, glossy, deep red paste, the color of dried blood, the color the dish takes its name from. Rub the beef chuck roast all over with the salt. Then, with the chili paste, cover every inch of the meat. Press the paste into the muscle. Let it rest. Let it become. Place the beef in a heavy pot. Pour in the beef stock. Add the cinnamon stick. Cover tightly with a lid. Slide it into the oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. And forget about it for 4 hours. The meat will surrender. The broth will deepen. there is nothing more to do. History and cultural origins. The word birria once meant something useless, a nuisance, a piece of trouble. When the Spanish first arrived in Jalisco in the 16th century and brought the goat, the indigenous Coca and Tecuexe people considered the animal a pest. They called the resulting dish a birria, a worthless thing. But the cooks of Jalisco refused to waste meat. They wrapped the goat in maguey leaves, lowered it into earthen pit ovens, covered it with hot stones and ash. They cooked it slowly, for hours. They added dried chiles, vinegar, aromatics. The dish they once dismissed became the dish they made for weddings. For 4 centuries, birria was made with goat. Birria de chivo. Then, in the 20th century, as cattle ranching grew in Jalisco and goat became expensive, the dish quietly adapted. Birria de res. Birria of beef. The technique stayed the same. The chiles stayed the same. Only the protein changed. Then, in the late 2010s, something happened. A handful of cooks in Tijuana began dipping corn tortillas into the red consommé before crisping them on a griddle. The world fell in love. The birria taco crossed the border. It crossed the ocean. It crossed every social platform. The dish that was once called worthless became, for a brief and beautiful moment, the most desired thing in food. Shred the beef into the pot. Ladle the consommé into small bowls. Top the meat with finely diced white onion, fresh cilantro, and the juice of a lime. Dip a warm corn tortilla into the red consommé. Eat it slowly. Pass the lime. Pass the salt. Talk for a long time. Birria is the rarest kind of recipe. One that has survived its own name. One that has survived conquest, 400 years of change, and a brief moment of viral fame. It survives because it was never trying to be impressive. It was only trying to feed the people who loved it. And the table, at last, is set.